Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. It appears that since, the constructions were found to be an encroachment over the land recorded as a road, the maintenance of which vests in the PWD, the subdivisional magistrate, instead of proceeding in the matter further in accordance with the provisions of Section 133 CRPC, choose to take further administrative recourse. He appraised the officials of the PWD about the encroachment, and left it to them to take appropriate steps in the matter, maybe under the UP Roadside Control Act. Whether proceedings under the last mentioned act were drawn, is neither the concern of this court or otherwise relevant here. But, it is discernible that no action was, until then taken, under the provisions of Section 133 within bracket 1 CRPC by the magistrate. It appears that the magistrate chose to pursue the matter with the officials of the PWD, to take steps for the removal of encroachment, instead of exercising jurisdiction vested in him under Section 133 within bracket 1 CRPC. He appears to have addressed memo dated 3/8/2015 to the Assistant Engineer 3rd, Provincial Division, Jaunpur, requiring him to take steps for removal of the encroachment. At this stage, the petitioner finding inaction on the part of the subdivisional magistrate, seeking a direction to the subdivisional magistrate, Machli Shahar, Jaunpur, to conclude proceedings in accordance with the provisions of Section 133 CRPC on a time-bound schedule. The court passed by this court shows, that the petitioner had earlier directly approached this court, seeking a direction to remove those encroachments, that was disposed of directing the petitioner to take recourse to his statutory remedy, under Section 133 CRPC. The grievance of the petitioner, therefore, was that the magistrate, instead of proceeding in the matter in accordance with law, referred the matter to the assistant engineer, PWD. This court, on 2/3/2016, in writ C number 9880 of 2016, passed the following order: para. This writ petition, is accordingly, disposed of with a direction to the subdivisional magistrate, Machli Shahar District, Jaunpur, to conclude the proceedings in accordance with the provisions of Section 133 of Criminal Procedure Code, 1973, expeditiously and preferably within a period of 2 months from the date of filing of a certified copy of this order. Para. Orders under Section 133 CRPC passed by the magistrate, despite attaining finality, were not complied with by the private respondents. This compelled the petitioner to move the magistrate again through an application dated 5/6/2017, seeking enforcement of the order dated 13/12/2016 passed by the magistrate. The magistrate entertained the application as one made in case number T2160, under Section 133 CRPC, issued a memo dated 26/2017 to the SHO, PS Sujanganj, District Jaunpur, requiring him to ensure enforcement of the order dated 13/12/2016. The SHO, PS Sujanganj, in response, submitted a report dated 25/8/2017, requesting that for the purpose of removal of encroachment, a competent officer may be appointed. The SDM, acting on the report of SHO last mentioned, nominated the Tehsildar, Machli Shahar, as the officer to enforce the order dated 13/12/2016, with the assistance of SHO, and, to cause the encroachment to be removed. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।